shoemaker named Geppetto. So, yung matanda dito sa picture, ang pangalan niya is Geppetto. One day, he made a wooden puppet. Ito yun, yung bata. Wooden puppet siya. That looked just like a real boy. So, sabi ni Geppetto, I shall call you Pinocchio. Ang pangalan ng bata is Pinocchio. Then, Geppetto made him some clothes and a cup. Kaya siya may damit at sapatos, mga damit kasuotan kasi ginawa ni Geppetto. Okay. He was astonished when the puppet spoke and began to dance around the room. So, nakikita nyo, sumasayaw yung bata at saka masayahin. So, ang susunod ay ito. Anong nakikita nyo sa picture? Naglalakad. Naglalakad yung bata. Saan kaya siya pupunta? Sa school? Sa school? Sa school. Yes, tingnan natin kung tama ang sagot ninyo. So, itong si Geppetto was delighted to have a puppet that could walk and talk. Sabi niya, now you must go to school to learn useful things. Sabi niya, kailangan mong pumunta sa eskwelahan para matuto. Kaya tama yung sagot niyo kanina kasi sabi niyo, pupunta siya sa school, kaya siya naglalakad. But, the poor old man had to tell this coat to buy Pinocchio a book. Sabi dun sa storya, kailangan niyang ibenta yung sombrero niya para makabili siya ng book. Okay. On his way to school, Pinocchio saw a big tent where there was a puppet show. So, eto na yun. Ayan. Mali pala ako. Ito pala yun. So, nakakita siya ng big tent. Ayun o, big tent. Nakikita niyo ba? Opo! Oo, nakikita siya ng big tent. Big tent where there was a puppet show. So, Pinocchio sold his book to buy a ticket for the show. Ito na yun. Hindi pala. Hindi pa pala yun. Ito pala yung book niya. Binenta niya para makapunta siya at makabili siya ng ticket para sa show. So, inside, dito sa loob, he met some puppets. And he was so happy to see them. Thus, he ran up onto the stage. Then, sumayaw-sayaw siya and sang with the puppets. Sumayaw-sayaw siya at kumanta kasama yung mga puppets. So, they made so much noise that the puppet master grabbed Pinocchio. Yun, ito na yun. Nagalit. Bakit na ulit nagalit yung puppet master? Kasi narinig niyang maingay sila. Tama. Kasi narinig niyang maingay sila. So, the puppet master grabbed Pinocchio. So, ang nangyari na, yung puppet master was so angry with him for spoiling that show. Kasi istorbo niya daw yung show. And then, the cruel man wanted to throw Pinocchio into the fire. But the puppet started to cry. Sabi niya, gusto niyang ihagis si Pinocchio kasi nagagalit na siya kasi ang iniingi ni Pinocchio. Ini-spoil niya daw, inistorbo niya yung show. Kaya sabi ni Pinocchio, nagmakaawa siya. Sabi niya, please don't kill me. He said, sabi ni Pinocchio, it would make my father very sad. showed them his gold coins, the thief thought of a way to rob him. Sabi, they told him he could grow more coins by burying his gold in a magic garden. But, as Pinocchio slept, they dug up the coins and ran off with them. So, ito na yun. Diba? Ano ba talaga? Ayan. Nung nakatulog si Pinocchio, wala na yung coins. Kinuha na pala ni Fox at saka ni Cat. Tama. And then, ang susunod na nangyari na ay... Ano nang susunod na nangyari? Ano nangyayari? Ano sa tingin ninyo? Lumaki ka ang kanyang ilong. Lumaki na ba agad ang kanyang ilong? Hindi, umiiyak pa lang siya. Bakit siya umiiyak? Kasi nawala yung pera niya. Tama. At sa pag-iyak niya, nakita niya si Fairy. Tinanong siya ni Fairy, bakit siya umiiyak? Sabi niya, wala. Hindi niya sinabi kung ano yung yung totoong nangyari. So, nagsinungaling siya. Pinocchio cried when he saw that his coins were gone. A blue fairy heard him. So, ito si Fairy. When she asked what was the matter, he felt ashamed. Nahihiya siya kasi he had not gone to school. Hindi siya pumunta sa school. Saan ba siya pumunta? Valerie, saan siya pumunta? Puppet show. Tama, sa puppet show. Sabi nga, he felt ashamed because he had not gone to school. So, he told her that he had lost Geppetto's money. Suddenly, his nose grew longer kasi nagsinungaling siya kaya humaba yung kanyang ilong. Yung kanyang ilong. So, sabi, your nose grows if you tell a lie. Sabi nung fairy. At dahil dyan, Pinocchio told her the truth. Sinabi na ni Pinocchio yung totoo. And she quickly fixed his nose. Later, as she ran home by the seashore, a huge wave carried him out to the sea. Ito na yun. Hindi pa. Then a whale swallowed him whole. Nung pauwi na siya, yung huge wave, yung malaking alon, carried him out to the sea. Kinuha siya. Then, a whale swallowed him whole. Ano yung swallowed? Nilunok. Tama. To his great surprise, yun, he found Geppetto inside the whale. Sino ang nakita niya? Geppetto. Ano ulit? Sino marinig? Si Geppetto. Tama, si Geppetto. He has been out in a boat for Pinocchio. So later, ano na yun? Later, as the whale slept, they crawled out of its huge mouth. So, nung nakatulog yung whale, umapang sila para makalabas din sa mouth ng whale. And then, ang susunod? Later, as the whale slept, they crawled out of its huge mouth. So, soon, they were safely home again. Pero bago pa ito mangyari, after that, Pinocchio was always good and he studied hard at school. So, ito na yun. May kasama na sila. Saka nakalabas na sila saan? Sa bunga nga ng whale. Sa bunga nga ng whale. Tapos, ang nangyari na one night, bumisita si Fairy sa bahay nila Pinocchio. And then, humiling siya ng isang kahilingan. Hiniling niya na maging totoo ng tao. So, since nagpapakabait na si Pinocchio, grinant ng fairy yung maging totoong tao na. So, soon, ito na nga, they were safely home again. After that, Pinocchio was always good and he studied hard at school. So, yun na. When he awoke the next day, he had changed into a real boy at last. Yun na nga, naging totoo na siyang